I've got to show you quickly. I hope the noise, it is a noisy road, so the sound might not be great. Even if I had a lav mic on, it would still be very noisy. And the motorbikes, it's not China, no electric bikes here. So look, here's a big batch of those stores that I was telling you about. Guy here does coffee and tea, and it's not bad. I've had one here, it's not too bad. You can get a little bit of fruit, maybe the odd banana, but not very much choice. As I say, the whole town really is geared up for these sort of guest house stroke hotels. I love this, just in time to see the water delivery. I saw this yesterday. This is the sort of water delivery I'm talking about. Look at these guys. That's the sort of water delivery I like to see. Look, he's got the old water tank in the back here. Beautiful, huh? Oh, thank you. Oh, selfie, huh? That's water delivery, old school. Love that. About 40 yards past that is the guy with the ironing. Hello. So, just in case you can't see it, the guy has... Australia. Just in case you can't see it, inside that iron is hot coals, cokes. No cords, no electric. Thank you, my friend. And here comes the guy. He does daily water delivery. Look at this. Hello, my friend. Indeed, that is the water delivery system to a lot of the restaurants and hotels. Oxen cart. He has a hose that comes out the back. Fresh water ready for whatever it is they do with their fresh water. There's a guy selling coconuts here, and believe it or not, there's a bike in there somewhere. This guy does shoe repairs. Hello, my friend. You really should check out the video on the pilgrimage. I think I might have said that already, but you should check it out, because just about 50 meters that way, it's a lot calmer, because it's where people come to visit the churches. But you can't stay there. This is where you have to stay. Okay. About 100 meters down now, we're really in the heart of the town. I was still very surprised to find there wasn't a single grocery store of any sort down here, just these little booths. Somebody might be able to tell me what these are. I really don't have a clue. I've seen them here. Hello. I'm not sure what they are. They just sell them in little cups. They look like some sort of berry. They look like they'd be very sour. Comment, let us all know. Just up here, there are two hotels or restaurants that we found that serve some fairly decent food. This one is the Hotel, well no, actually it's just called the Saravana Bhavan Pure Veg. And there's another one at about, which one are we going to go to this morning, Michelle? We do like the guy in this one, don't we? It looks a bit busy. There's another one about maybe 50 meters down on the left side, which is also quite good, but that's probably about it. Hello. So here we are. Sorry.
You're not going to get in.
If I can get in. Everybody seems to be leaving. Your name?
Raja.
Raja.
Yes.
This was Raja who served us yesterday. Great guy. And the family, the father and the son that own this place, are really friendly. So we thought we'd have our final breakfast here before we set off. This is the owner's son, or the owner, I guess, really. Yeah. And your name, I can't remember. Akash. Thank you, Akash.
Thank you.
Now you pour your coffee from saucer to cup to cool it down. It burns your fingers. Our dosas have arrived as well. So masala dosa, beautiful. Okay. So we tip it from side to side to cool the coffee down. Good morning and bon appetit. Come down here, Michelle, look at the dosa. It's lovely and, well, it's not so crispy. Dip it in a little bit of the coconut chutney. Perfect start to an Indian day. Oh, that's fresh. Just light and fluffy. This is the best vada I've actually had in India.
Let's try mine now. Oh yeah. Nothing's tasted like that before.
No.
It's really nice.
Mostly they've been pretty dense. But this restaurant has consistently produced pretty good food for us. That's the best vada I've had in India. Light and fluffy. Like a German donut. I think we're getting treated. Kudi Paniyaram? Paniyaram, I probably got it wrong, but Kudi Paniyaram. Again. They're very good. So I'm not sure what's in that. That's a different flour, a very different flour, much denser bread, and a little bit like, I can't really explain it. So all in all, a lovely breakfast, and Velankanni, very interesting. I think I've explained everything to you. We're probably not going to film our car journey down south. We've got a 4 or 5 hour car journey now, so it's about maybe 4 hours if the traffic is good to us. I'm just filming something, Scott. I'm driving with this driver down to, we got a 4 hour drive. We've been going 20 minutes. We stopped. I'm on the phone to my mate Scott from American in Bangkok YouTube channel, and we've been 15-20 minutes going, and yeah, drivers coffee. We've had a little stop. We're just going to stretch our legs. This is a small fishing port. I want to just take some quick clips if I can. Look at this. This is a fishing harbour. We're about an hour and a half down the coast. I'm not sure of the name. I'll try and put it up if I can. The guys here are fixing some old fishing boats. I thought I'd come and take some pictures. Oh, glass fibre. Fiberglass, huh? Fiberglass. Nah. Guys are doing the fiberglass painting, fixing the boat. Hello. Yeah. Preparation, huh? And this one also? This one?
What's that?
Fixing? Doing? Repairing, huh? Wow. That needs some repairing. You can see layers of fiberglass where they fixed this one up several times already. So here, look, here's one that's been finished. You can see all the fiberglass on here. Here's one that's half done. And here's one that's starting. Now I think most of these boats would be out fishing today. Look at the shells here, the piles of shells. But because it's Matopungal, I've probably got the name wrong, but it's the
waving over here.
It's the Pungal. Hello. So in a way, Michelle, we're lucky that the boats are all in harbour. I don't think they would be, from what they're telling me, they would normally be, at least many of them would be out. Good food. What are you eating, rice? Rice.
Chicken.
So just a few guys down here having their lunch.
Hello.
Fixing their boats. Hello, how are you? No fishing today?
No fishing. Pongal.
Pongal, huh?
Pongal
Happy
special.
Pongal.
Pongal.
Happy Pongal.
Just relax.
Holiday, relax,
What working?
fixing the boat, huh?
Fixing the boat.
Repair.
Yeah, repair.
Repair.
Hey, so we've jumped on board the boat with the boys. How's the engine? Ah? You're down here? Hello, how are you? Oh, wow. 1, 2, 3, 4? 4 down there working today, huh? Happy Pongal, everybody.
Thank you.
You're working hard, though. Working hard. Big engine, huh?
Engine.
Leyland.
Leyland engine.
Island.
And what, any problem?
No.
Just servicing
Working. Auto bubbles.
or auto?
Missing Saturday.
Saturday. Today's holiday.
Kumar. Ini. Enggak.
No, sorry. Come. No, come.
அவங்க எங்க இத்தாலியா?
Native place Italy, America.
Me? Australian.
Australia.
Ah.
ஆஸ்திரேலியா.
Ricky Pontin, good cricketer.
Funding.
So, even on, there's 4 other guys down there. Even on their day off, they're still working, maintaining the boat. Thank you, my friend. I'll go back. Got to get back to shore. Did. Thank you. Thank you, brother. Have a good day. So it's nice. Stretch our legs. All the boats they're in, but there's people on almost every boat, all doing some repairs of some sort, having their food. We'll get back to the car, carry on. Probably got another 2.5 hours, maybe, possibly 3.
No, I think about 2 if we're lucky.
Two if we're lucky, Michelle says. So that means we're about halfway. The motors are easy. Oh, these are like the long tails, like they have in Thailand. Turn the motor around, the tail is on the back. Sleepy little fishing town just by the coast. Okay, back to the car. Second little stop. Second little stop. We're going to have a little tea stop now. It's the guy doing the tea. So we're pretty much in Ramarad now. Long name is Ramarad.
Ramanathapuram.
Ramanathapuram. So long name is Ramanathapuram. We're in the town now, so very close, maybe a couple of kilometers to our hotel. What do you think? I know nothing about this town. We got to find something to share with you. Wish us luck. We're about a kilometer from the hotel now. We have arrived, apparently. Hello. We've just arrived at our hotel, Ibris Park. The story and the adventure continues. Now I'm going to do a quick tour of our room before we mess it up. In Ramanathapuram, if I've got the name right. So it's sweet, it's a nice room, nicer than the last place. We got a little...
It's a bird.
Yeah, a little bird out of the towels. Clean room, looks tidy. Got an armchair. Tidy little toilet, bathroom.
First impressions, it's better.
First impressions, things have turned up a little bit from the last hotel. Shouldn't bag on the last hotel. See what sort of view we've got. No view again, because the windows are tinted or frosted. This'll be perfectly fine. Drinking and smoking not allowed by the management. Michelle and I are going to check in. Let's just test the bed. It's a soft one.
Oh yes, it's good.
Soft one. I might get some extra pillows. Anyway, we don't need to see the room, we need to see the town. Anyway, let's take a look. This is a small town in India. Well, no, a sizable town. Here's my friend, the bullock. We're going to take a walk around this town today.